This is the most stupidest thing I've seen. Can you see that on that? There's a little tab. That tab has to go under, this goes in, and that locks down in. So if you're not using a speaker mic, it keeps the nice port nice and secure. But there's no way to keep this so this thing can spin. I'm sitting here trying to, with my little screwdriver that I bent, trying to lift this corner, thinking, what the hell they do? Glue it in place? No. It's got the little tab. It goes down into the frame and screws into place. So when you put the programming cable in, yeah, you got to pull that off of there. You know, I didn't read the manual, but what the most stupidest design. I like a port cover that I can just move out of the way and push back over. I don't know. You know, such a dumbfounded idea. I'm just lost for words right now. Okay, look through the first few pages of the manual. See if they tell you anything like that. They show you what's under there, but they don't tell you that you need to remove the screw and pull the whole cover off. Yeah. Again. What the hell are they thinking? Even if you had a microphone plugged into there, that hole where that threaded screw goes in to hold the port cover in place, which is nothing more than molded hard plastic, goes directly into the chassis board. It's hollow. It's all the way through. I shine my flashlight through it. So even if you had a mic plugged into there and it was slightly raining, not that this radio's waterproof, water ingress could get into there. So I don't know. Anyways, my biggest pet peeve with this radio so far.